Hi, this is King of Review. Put n equals n plus 1 into the following series here. So let's look at the first few terms of this series. We have 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 3 times 4 plus 1 over 5 times 6, and the series continues. But what do we see with these first three terms? The first number in the denominator here is a 3, and the first number in the denominator here is a 1. So to get from 3 to 1, we subtract 2. And to get from 4 to 2 here, we'll do the same thing. We'll subtract 2. So knowing this pattern that's taking place, let's write another term in this series. This is 1 over 2n minus 3 times 2n minus 2 plus 1 over 2n minus 1 times 2n. So we can see the same pattern here. If we're starting with a negative 1 here, and we have a negative 3 in this term, we're subtracting 2. And here, this 2n, it doesn't have any number after it, so it's plus 0. So we're going from 0 to negative 2. Again, to get from 0 to negative 2, we're subtracting 2. So you see the same pattern here. Our next step is to substitute an m plus 1 for n. So wherever we see an n, we're going to replace it with an m plus 1. So let's do that. We have 1 times, or 1 divided by 1 times 2, and this pattern continues. And now we have 1 over 2n minus 3, but we're replacing the n. So we have 2 times m plus 1 minus 3 times 2n minus 2, 2 times m plus 1 minus 2, and the last term is 1 over 2n minus 1, but we're replacing the n with an m plus 1. So we have 2 times m plus 1 minus 1 times 2 times m plus 1. And now let's simplify. This gives us a 1 divided by 1 times 2 plus, the series continues, and then we have 1 over 2m minus 1 times 2m plus 1 over 2m plus 1 times 2m plus 2. And this is our final answer. So letter A is correct. Thanks for watching.